BabyBus.
Woohoo! Ah! Huh? Oh no! Hey! No! The vending machine is broken! What am I gonna do? Whoa! Someone's coming! Oh no, it's Whiskers!
I need a battery for my toy. Where can I buy it? It's a vending machine. I'll have a battery.
He needs a battery. What am I going to do? I got it.
Wow! Oh, I got a battery!
I almost got caught. Oh no! Rudolph? Please don't come here! Don't come here!
There's a vending machine. I want to buy soda.
Oh no, there's no soda.
What's going on? Why does it take so long?
Oh, I have an idea. Hey. Oh, yeah! I am just too smart.
I want to buy something else.
He wants to buy another one? No matter what he buys, I'm gonna find a way.
I want to get an apple. Someone had a bite of this apple. What's going on?
Oh no. I have an idea.
It's a new apple? Oh, yeah! The vending machine automatically changes its goods. Miumiu, come over here! Look at this magical vending machine!
Magical vending machine? Really? I want to try it.
Oh no, Miumiu's really smart. How am I not going to get caught?
I'll have lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Which one's lemon juice? Let me try this one.
No, this is not lemon juice. Wow, it really changes things.
You see? I told you.
No, not this one. Okay, then forget about lemon juice. I'll have milk.
Milk! I got it! Oh, please work this time.
Kiki, come out. I know it's you.
Miu Miu, I broke the vending machine.
You did? Look, it's not broken. It's just unplugged.
BabyBus vending machine.
Huh? It really is.
Let me try.
I look cool. Huh?
I think this is cool.
Mr. Dao is still upset with us. Let's give him an apology gift.
Good idea. But what gift?
I have an idea.
A cage?
Of course not. Watch me. Woohoo!
Huh? It's a crab.
Ew! Wait! Mr. Dao is so upset.
You're right.
Oh, someone's coming. Let's hide.
Oh. What do we do now?
I have an idea. Woohoo!
Mr. Dao is inside. How will he know there's a gift?
I got it.
Another delivery? This is it?
Yeah.
It's beautifully wrapped. What's inside? Huh? Wah! 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 Ah! Yeah! Ow! Ooh!
Look, he seems to really like it.
I don't think so.
Yes, he does. I should go catch some more.
Who did this to me? I'll never forgive you. Ouch!
Huh? Hold on. I want to give him a gift too.
Huh? But that's your favorite jewelry.
If we want to apologize, we should give him the best. Now let me blow.
Hide! Hurry up!
Delivery again? Not this time. Ah! Hehehe.
Why did he put the crabs in the box?
It must be a new house for them.
Oh, haha! I'm prepared for this. Oh, A magnet. Ugh. Yeah. Oh. Ugh.
Look! I told you he would love the crabs!
Ooh, 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 ooh.
No, maybe it's because my jewelry.
Ooh, ooh. Ah!
He likes my crabs!
No, he likes my jewelry.
It's my crabs!
No, it's my jewelry.
So it's you who did this. Oh? Oh? Now I'll teach you a lesson. Hello? I have some delicious juice for you. Come over here.
Delicious juice, I'm coming.
Wait!
Oh? I'm home. Is this juice for me? What have you done?
Why is there no customer?
Miu Miu! Rudolph and Whiskers are here to buy some toys!
Really? Welcome, everyone!
Hello, everyone. Please come to my new toy shop with a lot of new fancy toys. New fancy toys? Let me take a look. Wow, so many new toys. Come over here. Free candy for everyone. Free candy.
Candy! It's my favorite candy! Gimme, gimme!
Please don't go!
Everybody is gone!
Mr. Fu, come and buy a toy for Rudolph!
We have toys that are fun for the whole family.
Toys for the whole family? Let me have a look. Rudolph, which one do you like?
I can speak loudly too! I have an idea! Miu Miu, get me the phone and flashlight, please!
Here you go.
Ta-da!
Huh?
With this microphone, I can speak louder than Hank!
Wow, that's great!
Come and take a look! You can play with toys for free!
Huh?
Huh? Free to play?
Oh no, don't leave. Don't leave.
Wow, so many toys!
Stealing my customers? No way. Ta-da! Look, everyone! Here's the best ever new smart toy!
Just a smart toy? Look what I've got! Magical toys! Free to play! 2 for 1! Come and have a look!
Oh no, don't go! Oh, they're gone again. It's time to show my best toy. My toys are the best.
Aha! I have an idea! Let's show them how amazing we are!
Oh.
Whoa, please show us how to do that!
What's this?
This is a super duper virtual projector.
Whoa.
Hey,
Don't push!
Yeah.
Don't push! Stand line to buy the toys!
I don't need toys.
I want the microphone.
I want the speaker.
I want the projector.
What? Nobody wants any toys?
Huh?
You can have all my toys. I want the projector.
May I have your attention, please? The sports event will be held in Hall 6 and Little Inventor competition in Hall 9. All participants, please get ready.
Yeah! I'm going to win the sports competition. You'll see. I'll come in first.
No, I'm going to win.
I don't think you'll win.
Come on! I can't be late! Little Inventor competition in Hall 9! Hall 9! This must be the place for the competition! I'm gonna win! Ha ha!
The competition will begin soon. First up is the pole jump. Participants, get yourselves ready. Ready?
Wait! Wait!
Oh, ready? Go.
So you want to give up?
Cool! Amazing! Pole jump! Oh! It must be a chance to test my invention! I know how to win the pole jump! Jumping shoes! Jumping shoes! Oh, watch me! Hey! These are the jumping shoes I made. With these, I can jump very high. What's wrong? Again. Here I go.
Huh? Where's he gone?
Hey! Hello, I'm here.
What? I can't believe this!
The winner of the event is Kiki. Next up, shot put. 10 meters.
You You see that? Just give up.
No way! I've got an idea! This is the wrist guard I invented. It has a magnet inside which can push and pull things. Punch!
20 meters, a new record. The winner is Kiki. Next up, weightlifting. I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
I'll show you what I've got.
I'm not afraid of you. Watch me. Love. I invented this glove too. It makes me 20 times stronger than I really am. Not to mention the weight, I can lift you too!
The winner today is Kiki.
Super athlete? Why is it not best inventor? Jumping shoes, magnetic wrist guard, and super glove. I wanted to be the best inventor. Oh! Ah!
Wow, so strong.
Oh no! The wrist guard's pull function is on! Ah! Ah! No! Stop pulling! Stop pulling! Best inventor? Oh, the best inventor medal! So this is Hall 9! Oh.
It's freezing cold. Where can I get something to eat? I'm so starving. Wow, yams! Pine cones?
A big snowball!
Whoa!
Look, it's a
It
snowman!
really is! But he doesn't have eyes or a nose.
Then let's add those for him.
I'll do it.
Huh?
Who? Huh? Eh? Ah!
Huh? It looks weird.
You guys are building a snowman?
Hi, Mr. Dao.
Mr.Dao, look at the snowman we built.
There seems to be something wrong with his eyes. Eh? Now he looks much better. But he doesn't have a nose. You need to find something round and long.
Oh, I got it!
I'll have a carrot to eat soon.
Something long and round. It must be a bamboo. Huh?
What's taking them so long? Huh? They're coming.
Hank! Hank, look at this nose I found. It's very long.
Look at this, round and fresh. Perfect for a snowman's nose.
I think mine is better. Let me add this for him.
Let me do it first. Look, isn't it cool?
Huh? Mr. Dao! Look, we found a nose for the snowman.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Mine's better.
Yours is too small.
Enough! Stop fighting! You're both wrong. The long, round thing I said was a carrot.
Oh, so it's a carrot. I know where it is.
Take me with you.
Ugh, that hurts. Ugh. Ooh? It's a carrot!
Huh? Where is everybody? Let me add this nose for the snowman. The snowman!
We finally found it.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh! Watch out! Move away!
Kiki!
Miumiu!
The snowman is rolling away!
And the carrot's gone too.
Oh no! It's heading for Mr. Dao's house! I'll stop it! Oh no! It's too late! Wait! Come on, please fly over the house!
Carrot?
Whoa! A beautiful snowman!
Wow, it's beautiful! But there's still no nose on it.
Wow! Mr. Dao!
That's awesome! Oh?
Dao, I'm home. Huh? What are you? Huh? A carrot. Actually, I am hungry.
Thank you, Dao.
again! Huh? What? Who did this? Don't let her! Stop doing it! Garbage truck! Dump site!
Ladies and gentlemen, Hero of the Bamboo Forest will be starting soon. Please show your ticket at the entrance.
Yeah! I'm the leading actor who plays the hero! Whoa! My ticket!
Show your ticket, please. Ticket.
Hey, look! I'm the actor. Hoi ha! I'm the hero of the bamboo forest.
Then I am too. Ayo!
Oh. Huh? Hi. Hi. Oh.
Ah, it's a family ticket. You may go in.
I'm one of their family.
Family? No. They're penguins. And you're a panda. Ticket.
What should I do? I really need to get in and be on the stage. Let me think. Aha! Oh. Rubber ball. Oh no, my ball! Yes!
Here's your ball. Take it.
I'll still find a way to get in. Huh? Door. Huh? I'm going in. Whoa! Calm down, calm down. Huh? This wall is really high. I have an idea. Bamboo trees.
You again? Want to get in without a ticket? No way.
Let me go! Let me go!
Get out.
Why don't you let me in? I'm one of the actors. Look!
Wow, you are the hero of the play.
Can I get in now?
Uh-huh. Actors don't need tickets. Hero, may I have your autograph?
Ooh! Rudolph!
Kiki! Kiki, have you seen Nana?
Nana? Who's Nana?
My sister! She lived with our grandma and just came here today. Someone saw her being taken by a bad guy.
Taken by a bad guy? Such a bad guy! Don't worry, I'll help you find her!
Thank you. Let's split up and find her. Nana! Huh?
Nana? It's Nana!
Nana?
Ma'am!
Huh? The bad person!
Wow! Lollipop!
No, I should call Rudolph and tell him! Rudolph, I saw Nana at the store, and the bad person too!
Oh, great! I'll be there with my dad!
I'm going to make a phone call.
Okay.
Perfect timing! I can get Nana back secretly! Aha! I have an idea! Hey!
It's Yum
I'm so smart. Huh? It got caught. Oh no!
Ma'am, look at this cotton candy I found.
Nana, you shouldn't eat the cotton candy. It's not clean. It'll make you sick.
All right, I won't.
That's a good girl.
Oh no! Rudolph and Mr. Fu aren't coming yet. What can I do? Oh, I got an idea! I can save Nana if the bad person falls into a trap.
Ma'am, look! He's really amazing!
No!
Watch out while walking.
Why is there a hole here? Who did this? Thank you.
Are you okay?
I'm good. Goodbye.
Oh, they're gone! What can I do? What if I could fly like a bird? Fly? Oh, I got it! Haha! I'm a brave pilot! Oh! Nana, let's go!
What are you doing? My dad told me not to go with strangers.
But I'm a friend of Rudolph! Look!
Huh? You really are his friend.
I'll take you to your dad!
But...
Huh? Nana, don't go with strangers.
Rudolph! I found Nana! Let's meet at the store!
That's great. Thanks, Kiki.
Stop right there. Don't move.
Run! She's coming!
Ma'am, look!
I didn't know you were trying to kidnap a little girl.
I'm not! You are! Nana, run!
Nana!
Daddy!
Oh, Nana. Thank you so much.
Mr. Fu, she's a bad person!
The bad person?
She's not a bad person. She's a police officer.
I'm a police officer. Nana got lost, so I was taking her home.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought...
Thank you. Thank you for helping me find her dad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well... Look, I'm faster than you!
You should be more careful. Are you okay?
Hank, look over there! I think it's Mr. Dao's radish.
I'll get it.
We should go and tell Mr. Dao.
I did a great job planting the radish. My master will be so happy.
Mr. Dao!
Mr.
Mr. Dao!
Mr. Dao, your radish is running away.
My radish is running away? Stop telling lies. How can a radish run away? My radish! Where is it gone?
Huh?
Hmm?
I have an idea!
Huh?
I hear something! Let's go this way! It must be here! Mr. Dao! I found it!
Huh?
It's in here!
Huh?
There's nothing inside.
Weird! It should have been here! I really heard something!
Why is it still not coming out?
Let's do it together, Hank.
Ah!
Like this. Grab the leaves when his head is out. Then I'll get his body from below.
It is over there.
If we do it like this, it will never run away. And then, Mr. Dao. Where's Mr. Dao?
There he is.
Huh? Something's wrong with this?
I'm gonna catch you this time.
Mr. Dao!
We should walk quietly. No!
I'm sorry.
Keep it down. Let's catch it!
My radish! It's all your fault, you little troublemaker.
Mr. Dao, Hank didn't...
You were the same. Bad things always happen when I'm with you. Huh?
Huh? Mr. Dao! Mr. Dao! The radish is back in your field! Let's go!
This time we've got to catch it.
Mr. Dao, do you have an idea?
No, but I'm thinking now.
I have an idea! Stop!
Be careful!
Hank, it's here!
Just stop now! My radishes! Stop right there!
Yeah! It was Whiskers!
I knew it. How could a radish run away?
This is my radish!
This is mine. Why are you following me wherever I go?
You liar! This is the radish I planted!
Look closer. My carrot is much longer and your radish is round.
Huh? Oh, he's right.
Well...
Oh no! Let's get out of here!
Bye.
Now, I bought some fertilizer. Our radishes will grow well.
Dear Miss Lulu, I sincerely invite you to my new house from Mr. Dao. Ah, Miss Lulu.
Wow. Mr. Dao lives right here. I'll go tell him first.
Wait!
cream.
Wow! It's so beautiful! Thank you!
What are you doing here? I didn't invite you. Go away. Just go away.
Hi, Mr. Dao.
Oh, Miss Lulu. Hey. I mean, please come in. Welcome, welcome.
They helped me find your house just now. Do you mind if I bring them in with me, Mr. Dao? I know you're hospitable.
Of course. Come in, please.
Yeah!
Oh? Oh, Miss Lulu, try the ice cream I made for you.
Oh, thank you. Here, you try it first. Thank you!
I forgot the jam. I can't spend time alone with Miss Lulu because of them. Chili sauce. I bet you've never tried ice cream as good as this before.
Oh, thank you. Miss Lulu, you have to try this. Oh, thank you.
You better not eat too much. We're going to have dinner soon.
Mr. Dao, are you all right?
I'm okay. Just take a look around as you wish.
Huh? I hear music.
Yeah!
Don't touch my TV. Give the remote back to me.
What are you guys doing? Mr. Dao is...
Actually, I'm teaching them how to dance.
BabyBus! Magic Chinese characters! Mr. Dao, take this!
Eating with your hands? No manners.
I should use a fork.
I should use a knife.
Achoo! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Excuse me for a moment. Take your time.
Help yourself, please. Stop eating! Give me that! Don't eat that!
Wow, Mr. Dao, you're amazing! Mr. Dao? Mr. Dao!
You're so annoying! Get out of my house!
Don't be scared. Let's get out of here.
Huh? Oh, Miss Lulu! Don't go!